this is the perfect business. In the perfect business, it starts out with you understanding your definitive purpose, what it is that you want, right? So it really starts with self-awareness, and self-awareness is crucial to succeeding. I can't tell you how important self-awareness is to achieving congruency, bit of a long horrible word, but to being comfortable in your own skin. If you're completely comfortable with who's looking back from the mirror, you're in the top 10% of human beings, because 90% of human beings are worried about what he thinks and what she thinks and what they think.
I used to be that.
Yeah, and it's none of our business what they think. Yeah. If you can get to a point where you say, do you know, I'm a decent human being, I'm a genuine person, I will go out of my way to help people, and I'll look after my family in front of me, and you see where I'm going with that?
Absolutely.
Right. That's where self-awareness is. Now, if you know it's a bit like the confidence thing. Are you 100% confident? Hands up.
No, I'm not confident.
Oh, let's just fix that. All right, we just fix that. Okay. Right. Are you 100% confident in what you know?
Yes.
Not really, because there's always another way, well, I think I know, but then someone could say
Okay.
to me, and I may be wrong.
Yeah, see, now this is where, are you 100%, because I'll put tonality in this time, are you 100% confident in what you know?
Yes.
Because you know what you know.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I think I know it.
Run with
but then
me.
I could be wrong.
Run with me. So you're 100% confident in what you know. Cast iron, black and white, I know this to be this.
Yeah.
Whatever, yeah?
Yeah.
So you're 100% confident in what you absolutely know. That means that you're only not confident in stuff you don't know. And then there's the kind of the bleed area where you kind of know, but you're not 100%. All right? Because you're either 100% or you're 99%. If you're 100% confident in what you know, but you're only 99% confident in that, you're kind of nearly there. Are you following me? Yeah? That means, and I'm going to ask another question. A show of hands, who here's honest?
I think we all are. We all are
Yeah?
adults.
Okay. So if you're honest, you would probably, if I asked you a question, you would probably say, I don't know, John. Now, this was, when I learnt this years ago, it was a game changer for me. This was a wow moment. This was a moment of clarity. When someone said what I'm sharing with you now to me, and said, look, are you honest? Yes, I'm honest. Okay. So if you weren't 100% confident of what it is that you're saying, you would tell me. I said, yeah, absolutely. I said, in fact, if I wasn't 100% confident in what I'm saying, I would say to you, do you know what, Andrina, I think it's this, but I'm going to make a phone call and I'm going to find out. Yeah? Especially in a sales situation. Look, I'm nigh on sure it's this, but I've got someone in the office, I've got someone on the team, a friend of mine, or this or that, I'm going to go ask them. That allows me to be 100% confident